So here's an application type question, pretty common question. Someone buys some new household item, so they bought a fridge and it costs $6,179. They're going to pay a deposit of $200. So what is a deposit? Well, that's often when you borrow money, you'll be expected. You won't be able to borrow the total cost of the item. You'll be expected to pay part of the cost up front, and then the rest of the money you can borrow. Okay, so it's what's left of the amount you can borrow. So for example, if you buy a new TV for $2,000, you might have to pay a deposit $500 to the shop, and then you'll borrow $1,500, what's left, to cover the total cost. So here our deposit's $200. And that's what they mean by borrow the balance at an interest rate of 19.5%. And the loan will be repaid off 24 equal monthly repayments. So the first step, how much money do they need to borrow? That's pretty straightforward. So you expect the money answer, need to borrow. So essentially that's just our cost. It's going to be the cost, $1,679, subtract $200, the deposit. So that'll be $1,479. Now it has this terminology, says what is the term of the loan. So term, that's another sort of financial word. Term just means the length, how long the loan goes for. So here the length of the term, it's pretty straightforward. It's 24 monthly payments. So term is 2 years. So really that's your N in the simple interest formula, number of years. I should have said the borrowing amount, that's your principal, right? So I just put the P in there just to highlight that. How much interest will they pay? Right, okay, so now we need to use the simple interest formula. Principal times rate times N. The principal is $1,479. We're going to times that by the rate. And now the rate, I need to get the rate. So the rate up here is 19.5 per annum. So let me write that there. Should be 0.195. Then we times that by the number of years, 2. Then we go to our calculator to work that out. And there I get $576 and 81 cents. So I'll just give it to the nearest cent. Okay, so we've done A, we've done B, we've done C. Then we ask, what is the total cost of the refrigerator? So if you just bought it initially, the total cost would have been that. But you've borrowed the money, so you've actually incurred some extra costs because of the interest. So the total cost is going to be equal to the total cost of the item, 679, plus the interest, which is 576.81. So again, we go to our calculator. And so we get 2,255.81. And then how much is each payment? Well, each payments are monthly, right? So you're told up here 24 equal monthly repayments. So if I go 2,255.8, that's the total cost, and I divide by the number of repayments. So here I just put that in brackets, total cost divided by number of payments. I run out of room. And we get something like $93.99. And there it is. So there's the working out a loan.